人間はね、最初の15秒で動画を見るか見ないかを決めるの。
15秒以内にやつ。
スタジオロリエ。
We got this long time ago. Today we are going to make this. 早速卵。早速 means eggs right away.
It says 1 minute in the microwave.
1 minute. Can you say 1 minute?
Let's do it!
スタジオロリエ。
By the way, this says source of your energy and breakfast.
Right.
Breakfast is important. I don't eat breakfast. And this is the contents of the box. あれ?
Calm down.
So, okay. This is the contents of the box. This.
So, this tray you can make tamagoyaki, which is like the Japanese style egg. And then this side you can make omelets. And then this side is what we're going to use today. Today we're going to make fried eggs.
Fried eggs. Okay, so to make fried eggs, pour the 1 teaspoon of water. Pour. And crack the egg. This egg was a little expensive. And I don't know you can see, but this egg looks good.
It does. It's really orange.
Yeah. Okay. And take toothpick and
Poke!
poke.
So it doesn't explode in the microwave.
Yes.
And then we microwave?
Yes. Put it in microwave for 500 watt 1 minute.
Okay.
So see you in 1 minute. Okay, so it is from microwave, and I haven't seen inside.
We haven't opened it yet.
Yeah.
It made some scary sounds. Maybe you should have poked some more holes.
Okay, let's open it.
And it's kind of hard to open.
Yes. Oh.
Oh.
Okay, so it's like breakfast.
Salt and pepper.
Let's taste it. It's hot. Be careful.
It's good. I think we microwaved it a little bit too long. The yolk's a little hard. But the middle's very soft. And the Danish bread is very, very good, even though we didn't make it.
Danish isn't sweet.
Nope. I think it's like butter.
Yeah, this is awesome.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
You have to eat your salad too. Everyone's saying, Mr. Panda, eat your vegetables. So thank you guys for watching. Maybe we'll try making the other things in this set. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Let us know down below what you eat for breakfast.
Bye-bye.